Here we got two pistols that I would love to shoot. They're from the 1800s. I forget if they're Belgian or Bulgarian. I want to say they're Belgian. But I'd love to shoot these. I believe this is a 11 millimeter. See if I can do this one-handed. It's got a good lockup. On this one, at least. Well, maybe not. But for black powder, it's a good enough. So that one's pinfire. What's interesting is the other one. The other one is more standard. This is one I feel like I have the capability of firing. If I just modify a cartridge, fill it with black powder, I could probably shoot it out of this pistol. Now, I still don't know about that. Still need to do a lot more research on these. Sadly, missing the trigger guard. You can see what's left of it right there. So maybe I'll have somebody fabricate me that part someday to match this, or probably more match what the case makes it look like it should be. But it's a beautiful pistol. I'd like to get ammo, but good luck with that. Because I believe this is an 11 millimeter pinfire. Now, if anybody has any idea on how to get ammo for this gun, let me know.